line of Lake
You didn't go on.
City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the South Haven Pioneer Heads to 37 nautical miles south of Windsor Harbor, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, St. Joseph, and Michigan City. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 57 in South Bend.
That's a Burke relay, don't worry.
Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time p.m. Eastern.
I just told you what I was watching. IM didn't. Well, there it is. Go watch. Oh, there it is. Special rain warning for. You know the spot. Oh. Nautical miles south of Windsor Harbor, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, St. Joseph, and Michigan City. The reason I walked over here to do that is because the coding for SMWs aren't in here. So I have to figure out the settings. Let me just see if I can go to the settings and figure it out. Some of my system setup. The auto forward codes. I have EANs, EITs, and NICs. Literally all these RMTs are not on auto forward. Honestly, why not those? It's because I like to do Indiana style. I don't actually think you can add events. If you could add events, that'd be so nice. So you can't add events. If you could add events, that would be so nice. Right. Do I look like I want to get copyright now? Alright, so here's your update for the people who actually did decide to watch EAS-11 and a half. EAS-12. Because it was actually caught. Alright.